This is a tire torque setting device which you can adjust the torque from 40 kilograms to 80 kilograms. So
내가 씨.
그러니까 and so I show you how to adjust this board. First you use this wrench and then just screw this bolt 2 or 3 times. Don't pull this bolt out completely, and then you move this bolt 40 kilograms and 60, 70, 80. And then if you want to put this torque on 60 kilograms, you should put this bolt at this position, and then you screw this bolt.